subscribe and like. Leave a comment below in case you have any question or you have any contribution you want to add up to today's lesson. Now we'll be talking about circle, part of a circle. Before we move to circle tutorial, we have to know some terms in order to be able to deal with circle tutorial. Now today we'll be talking about the part of a circle. So given that we have this as a circle with center O, now let's deal with chord. A chord. Now a chord is any 2 points or is a line on a circle from one point of the circumference to another point on the circumference of the circle would form a chord. So this is a chord. Point A, point B, this straight line here is a chord. Likewise, we can say this is also a chord. This is also a chord. This is also a chord. Now, whenever a chord or a line is drawn, through a circle, it divides the circle into two parts. You see a first part here, and you can see the second part also here. So we can say this part is part B, and this part is part A. It divides the circle into two parts, part A and part B. Now, this can be termed as a segment. Whenever something divides something to two, you get segment. The segment and the second segment. This part is the big side, so it is called the major segment, and this part would have been the smaller segment. So that is a chord and a segment. A chord is a point. A chord is a line from one point to another on the circumference of the circle. So we can have various forms of chord. Let's check this thing out. Various forms of chord. So a line can come from here, one can go here, one can come here, one can go to the middle. So these are all chords because it is passing through 2 points of the circumference of the circle. The biggest chord in a circle is the diameter, because at any point in time, the diameter is the biggest line separating or dividing the circle. So A and B. So the diameter is always the biggest part or the biggest line in the circle. Thanks for joining us on MathHelp. I would like you to subscribe and like. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video where we'll be talking about arc, about sectors and other parts of the circle. Bye.